Hey everyone, my name is RJ Gamboa. I'm from Northern California. The reason why I'm here is because I went to the health center was because I actually knew how important it is for actually the body to go through these types of things that they teach you here. And that's why I'm here, is because I'm actually working like 2 full-time jobs, and I knew I just needed time to process everything that's going on in my life. And that's why I was like, I prayed about it and I was like, Lord, I need to, get away, and I just need some cleansing and things like that. And that's one of the biggest reasons why I came here. And another reason why I came here is because, I grew up not knowing all these beautiful knowledge that they give you here about the health. I used to smoke, drink, drugs, and do all of these things. And I knew that my body needed that. And that is the biggest reason why I actually took time off to come over here. And the experiences that I've had here is just such a blessing, just to meet, different people, and the people here that I've already met. It's just such a blessing, and it's just, there's a strange way of how God brings people together. I met Brother Derek, I met Sister Diane, and I came here actually with my mom and my wife, and I'm so blessed that I actually chose to do that. I absolutely encourage each and every one of you to just come. And it's just wonderful. I mean, the wonderful people here, the workers here, the therapists, is just them showing Christ in their each individual unique way is just so encouraging to me, very uplifting. I feel super rejuvenated. I feel like I'm ready to go back to tackle what the world has to offer. So I just praise God for M.E.E.T Ministry, and so hopefully you guys can all come, and God bless you, and thank you so much.